They say a perfect smile can change your life, but can the Smileasego Advanced Customized Full Denture Set really deliver that transformation for under $40? The claims are bold: a medical-grade, ultra-flexible silicone line that adapts to your mouth, a customized fit supposedly powered by AI, and the promise of a natural-looking, confident smile. Sounds like a dream, right? Especially at a price that's almost too good to be true. But as always, when something seems that perfect on the surface, I dig deeper, and what I found definitely raised more questions than answers. First off, the website itself shows a clear mismatch in age. It's far too new for the level of trust they're trying to establish. The customer reviews featured seem overly generic, almost copy-paste in tone, and give off the vibe of being completely manufactured rather than authentic user experiences. The before and after photos used to show results? Most of them appear to be obvious stock photos, not real transformations. They throw around terms like eye customization, but there's no explanation of what that actually means, no data, and no evidence that any kind of real technology is being used at all. Then there's the so-called professional backing. The site shows images of dentists endorsing the product, but a quick reverse image search shows that even those appear to be fake or misused. There's also zero presence on major social media platforms, no verified accounts, no customer feedback, no interaction, which is very uncommon for a product that claims to be so revolutionary. They also push aggressive marketing tactics like countdown timers and only a few left messages to pressure you into buying right away, which is always a red flag. And when I looked for verified third-party reviews, like on Trustpilot or Reddit, I found nothing that could confirm any of the glowing claims made by the brand. So is Smileasego a complete scam? I wouldn't say that for sure, but there's enough smoke here to make you pause. If you're serious about improving your smile, I'd suggest doing more research and considering trusted dental options.